5 o'clock in the morning. Prayers going on, and we are going snorkeling like normal people do at 5 o'clock in the morning. We hired a longboat yesterday evening, and the plan is to go to Shark Point, where apparently you can see some reef sharks. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we will have enough luck to see those. Everyone is asleep. This is our boat. I don't know where we go, under the bridge. Oh God. No, go ahead. I will need a hand.
Aj te klapky, ty kurwa, to kamerę i daj.
Ja, normal. You could... That's the worst I can see. Okay.
Ja, we're in.
What happened here? Even camera lost me. We're on the board anyway.
You have a snorkels?
No właśnie.
You have a snorkels? Yeah.
Now looking at the one.
How easy is this?
It's still dark.
Diesel is not.
Shark boy.
The Shark Point, okay. We wait for the sunrise. I mean, look how beautiful it's here. All we have to do now is wait for sunrise and sharks. Magic is looking out for sharks.
Sharks.
It's not a dog. Ready to rock. I'm still waiting for sunrise. Almost there. Although it's a cloudy day, but he's already gone into the water. He's here. I'm waiting. I want to see the sunrise. So I hope to get it after the sun is up. It's a little bit cold all the time though. It's very early in the morning. But that's the best time to see the sharks, if any. Obviously it's not guaranteed, these are wild animals. But look, still early and beautiful sunrise on the way. So it's still worth a trip even if you don't see any sharks, because No, it's lovely. Oh my god, it's coughing out. It's lovely out there. It's like so nice to get out so early in the morning. We saw a shark!
Big one. 3 meters, I think.
The problem that we have here, we have no fins, so it's very hard to follow the shark if we even see one because of the currents. But we did see. We actually saw two, or else it was one, the same one. I'm not sure. But oh my god, it was worth coming here. That's for sure.
So big and he's so fast, like.
Gone.
Gone. 1 second, gone.
Gone. We landed at the Long Beach Islands, just on the way to the port in Phi Phi. And so we have a few minutes here before our time is up to go for breakfast. That's really nice. So I like it. Few bars and restaurants, but much more quiet than near the main central area of Phi Phi. Today is a bit of a cloudy day, but it's still warm, so Magic is gone to get us a coffee. So there's few shops and cafes here along the beach, but really cool spot. You know, if you're looking for something a little bit quieter than some of other parts of the island. But we did find Phi Phi much nicer than Patong, even though it's still busy. It has that more chilled vibe about it. So, you know, our only regret is that we don't have more time here. But definitely worth exploring, you know. If you have spare time, you know, apart from visiting other islands, do come to Phi Phi and see what it's all about. We had a coffee, the Long Beach. Time to catch a taxi back.
Taxi boat. Taxi. Which one is ours?
That's always a good question. Which one is ours? Because they all look kind of the same. To be fair. I think our captain might be sleeping. Yeah, that's our captain. The requires walking to the water. Come on, Maciek. Made it safe in one piece.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Capitan, let's go.
much more busy. All the boats are leaving from the port this morning, going in all sorts of directions. We had a lovely morning, a lovely way of spending the morning when you can't sleep. Something to do. It's only 9 o'clock and you know we still have plenty of day left and we already done plenty. So if you fancy a boat ride, you know, you should ask one of those guys here at the port, and they are easy. They'll be able to accommodate wherever you want to go, wherever you want to do, and you know, it's all easy. There's plenty of boats here for hire, and so you should try one of them.
Oh, come on. Up!
Już przeszedł było tak.
Ale było stretching?
Właśnie przeszedł było tak, a ona odpłynęła potem.
With the stretching?
Thank you very much.